briefing for Group 1. Samir and William could not be here, so I am here to present our smart temperature control fan. As you can see, here is the finished product. Now we will move on to the purpose. The purpose of the vent system was to create a way to automatically regulate the airflow in an environment based purely on its temperature and to be able to set the temperature that you desire for it to turn off or on. This could be very useful in, say, a warehouse in which the temperature being applied to your workers is very important and needs to be very regulated. This could also be used in vehicles or in your home. It also is very low energy cost wise. Good. The goal of the system was to make it user friendly, have a clean interface for the information provided to the user on so that they can make informed decisions on what temperature they would like to be set for the fan to turn on. It is highly energy efficient and has very little moving parts except for the fan. The main pieces of technology used in this is the Arduino board functioning as the main control unit for the entire system, the DHT11 temperature and humidity module monitoring the temperature and the humidity of the environment, a potentiometer for altering the temperature, and a potentiometer for altering the contrast on the LCD screen, a motor, which is attached to a fan, the LCD screen that displays the information, and also, it goes without saying, the 9-volt battery, which powers the entire system connected to its power supply unit. Here is the outcome. The outcome is a fan controlled by a humidity and potentiometer that sets the temperature, connected to a Arduino Uno board that provides the space and logic, powered by a 9-volt battery, and all information displayed on an LCD screen. Off to the side, you can see the diagram used that displays the circuitry. This is an overview. The whole system is built on a breadboard with an Arduino board as main CPU, and the system utilizes an LCD display to provide user with data about the current temp and the set temp. This can all be changed. The set temp can be changed using a simple potentiometer. Now, for this section, we will move on to a demonstration before we move forward in the presentation. To run the Arduino, to run this entire setup, simply press this button right here. Adjust the contrast if needed. And this is the current temp. This is the set temp. And this indicates if the fan is on or off. It is currently on. In order to turn it off, simply change the temperature value. It goes from a range of 60 to 100. Sorry, the fan is a bit sticky right now. In order to totally turn this system off, all you must do is press this button, and it is off. Now, to move back to the presentation. This system provides an efficiency you will not find from systems controlled by, say, a large computer. as all it requires is a small microcontroller and a simple 9-volt battery. I believe that has proven that this system is energy efficient and easy to be left alone and does not require large amounts of maintenance. In conclusion, we have created a small initial system that displays the usefulness of embedded systems in use cases such as smart control, internal cooling of houses, vehicles, or warehouses. We believe that this can be upscaled if needed to work in places such as warehouses and homes and vehicles. Thus concludes our demonstration. Thank you for coming. And if you have any questions, please ask them.